Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a project share. This was supposed to be a VR for Christalyn, who is Crafty Christalyn on Instagram and I believe here on YouTube as well. She was hosting a birthday challenge and today's the last minute, so I have to run to the post office. I'm waiting for her to message me her address, so I have to run to the post office and drop this off. But what she initially asked for was a memory dex card and embellishment box. I struggle so much with embellishment boxes because I never know what to put in the little slots. So hopefully she likes what I sent her. And then for extra points, she asked for rosettes, bows, layer flowers, and ruffles. Ruffles was the only thing I didn't do. I ran out of time. So but I did do the rest of the other items. So let me show you what I have created for her. So for a memory dex card, created this cute little gym bag by Adriana J. Alvarez. I don't know if she still has this SVG for sale on Etsy, but I wanted to make this for her. And excuse me, thought it was really cute. And instead of the handles it came with, I decided to do fabric. So I'm not sure if you guys could see that. I added cute little dangles here. You guys know me, I love dangles. And then I forgot what the name of the paper I'm using. I'm trying to do this as fast as possible, so I'll put the details in the description box. But this is pretty much what I created. I still need to add my information back. But yeah, I hope she likes it. And for the embellishment box, I follow Toni's embellishment book box tutorial. I forgot what it's called, but I'll also link it in the description box. The one she did was for the Dollar Tree clear containers. And then I continued with the fabric. I wanted to use the fabric that I have at home. So yeah, I did fabric all around. And then on the side, I added her name, Christalyn. And I hope you don't mind, but I use a different type of bead or alpha. For the last one, I ran out of letters. And then right here in the front, I have a cute little butterfly. And then just a little cluster of, you know, cute little cutouts, because this collection I actually had to fussy cut everything and I don't really enjoy that as much. I will let Christalyn show you guys the embellishment box because I had a hard time closing this since I have carpal tunnel. So yeah, that's what I did for the embellishment box. And then for rosettes, I did two types of rosettes. This is the 3D rosettes by KS Craft. And then I added fabric right here. This is my favorite that was gifted to me. This paper clip, I think this was from Temu. And then a cute little pencil. And then I created a bow back toppers. And then I just did a cute little cluster there. And then for bows, I created my favorite bows. I believe these are by KS Crafts. I'm not 100% sure. And then I just did gold thread all around and a cute polka dot fabric bow. And these are the other rosettes that I created for her. And then I continue with the bow tag from the stamp market for my bag topper. And then And these are the flowers that I created. These are by Tim Holtz. I had these for a while, and I never used them, and then they were really easy to die cut and put together. So yeah, these are the flowers that I created for her. And yeah, this is everything that I made for her. I hope she likes it. Please go check out her channel for everyone's entry, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. Until the next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.